The 2018 International Somali Awards were held in London to honor the global Somali diaspora. Somali's successes in sports, entertainment, education, innovation, and business were highlighted. UNHCR supported the awards with Ambassador Mohammed Abdi Afe presenting an award. The evening was a reminder of the challenges Somalis face with conflict, famine, and instability. Over 5.4 million Somalis need humanitarian help, 1.5 million are displaced, and 800,000 have fled their country. Participants wore red badges saying Nabad to remember the Mogadishu bombing that killed over 300 people. Judge Abdul Qawi Ahmed Yusuf spoke about Somalia's history and encouraged pride in Somali origins. Prominent Somali figures include BAFTA winners and Mubarak Mahmoud, a refugee, was awarded an international scholarship. Ambassador Afe awarded a Barso school for their outstanding contribution to the community. Afe highlighted the importance of protecting vulnerable Somali refugees and the need for continued asylum space.